what they mean is, if they have enough number of votes, then they want to propose an amendment. But the moment the resolution talks of amendment to the Constitution, our rules say it has got to be referred to the proper committee.
Which is your committee?
Which is our Committee on Constitutional Amendments. Our committee will now study the proposal. Kung nakakarami pong miyembro ang magsabi, good proposal, then we make the committee report and give it back to the Rules Committee, headed by the Majority Leader. Ikakalendar nga na yon ang debate sa plenary session. Ibig sabihin, samantalang kami nagdebate na miyembro ng committee, sabi mo na 1 linggo, 1 buwan, o whatever it takes. After we have approved it, it goes to the floor. Ang debate po ngayon, lahat na ng miyembro ng Kongreso, all the 238 can now participate in the debate.
Now, in the question of these debates, which are probably going to heat up after the new year, what is the role of the chairman in all of these debates? Because you have your own position. You are for starting the process now because you believe that the House and the Senate need to pass a law which calls for a convention, which will be elected in 2010 and which can then take office after that election. But that is your personal view.
Yes.
How will this be resolved under your chairmanship?
The committee will vote probably by the end of January. The committee will already decide what mode to follow. Saan tayo dadaan? Sa CONCON o sa Constituent Assembly? Ibig sabihin, kung Constituent Assembly po, Kongreso na mismo ang maggagawa, mag-draft ng proposal. Kung CONCON, tatawag kami ng CONCON, magresolusyon ng House and Senate to call for a CONCON, then we throw the matter to the CONCON. Pag-umpisa ng CONCON, sila na po ang bahalang gumawa ng proposal, what to amend. Wala na kaming jurisdiction po ron. In fact, the President, Congress, the Supreme Court cannot meddle in the workings of the Constitutional Convention. It will be supreme within its own sphere. For as long as what they do is according to law. Morals, walang makakahinto sa kanila. In fact, they can even change the whole Constitution. Or maybe they can change only 2 provisions or 3 provisions. Nasa sa kanila po. Wala nang makakakontrol sa kanila.
I hope we'll be able to invite you again to discuss this. But there was a question from the floor also. If the kids want to study this, should they write to their congressman to get a copy of your rules, or how does it work?
I do not know if our new... Kasi ito, meron din mga konting changes since the time of Pareha. Alam niyo po kung ito Secretary General ng House noon, nung ang tatay ko ang member sa House. So you can imagine how long ago that was. Yung bagong rules namin po, pagpalagay ko makakabili tayo doon sa House mismo. Meron doon store na nagbebenta ng lahat ng paraphernalia ng House, souvenir cups, jacket. I suppose they also can sell you books, if not in the bookstore. If you have any difficulty and you need one, please tell me. I'll send you one.
Okay, so they have a pledge from Congressman. My view, it's not whether you win or lose, it's how you play the game. This applies to life as much as love and sports. In this clickety-clickety age, we should resist the tendency to ignore the rules and to think it's somehow pompous to abide by the rules when we feel political passions. The following of rules, after all, is a guarantee that tyranny will not result from power and that once in power, you will not become a tyrant. It is about courtesy to others because you respect yourself enough to insist on rules and decorum for everyone. But there's also such a thing as leading by example. We have much to learn from veterans in politics like our guest tonight, the gentlemen who stick to the rules and toe the line. Thank you, Representative Ortega, for being with us tonight. Jackie, thanks for being with us. And to our studio audience from the University of Perpetual Help and their Caduceus News Organization, I'm Manolo Quezon, and this is The Explainer.